I'm being relegated to the basement. Nope. So I know who I'm gonna go get to help me fix this. It's my buddy Andy. Andy, guess what we're doing?
We're up to no good, I guess.
Going to Home Depot. We need some stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this pile of wood and turn it into a really cool workstation. I wanna have it set up so that when I'm shooting downstairs, I can have like my own mini lab. If I wanna take things apart on top of the countertop and show you that stuff, do overhead shots. Why don't I just draw it real quick? So here's the deal. We're gonna build a desk section, a little wider. There'll be an overhead for top-down rig shoot, where I can have my camera, legs. You know I can't draw. We're about to start cutting down here and doing our woodwork. If Joanne doesn't know about it yet, she's gonna know shortly, and she's not gonna be happy. Nothing?
Don't make me come down there.
So here's the deal. I put the rest of the desk together, all the sheathing, and I actually thought I videoed it, but my video card was full, so it didn't capture it all, but we're gonna finish this now. Ta-da! Come on, I'll give you the 2-cent tour. So I got a nice desktop, this overhead rig. The whole thing is gonna slide over to the wall, right against the wall. I'll frame the shot right about like that. There'll be a nice whiteboard in the background where I can do presentations and give some descriptions of things that I'll be talking about. The overhead, this is Casey Neistat style.
This is my overhead shooting rig.
Stole it right from him. I can mount this board on here, put my camera there, and I can move it up and down in here by simply clamping it. This piece up here slides back and forth so I can frame my shot, doing overheads, talking about stuff right here. It's not looking like a whole lot yet, but I promise you it's gonna be really cool. So I've got this all set up now. Oh, Colby, grab my lights. Oh, that's what's up, check it out. We got all kinds of studio lighting. Finally got to break this stuff out, it's been in storage. It is going down. You are special. The best part about this lighting is gonna get rid of these. So bad.